Oh boy, is it cold. 13 degrees, man. Oh, hey, what's going on? Look at this. We're on the GoPro. I'm about to put some antigel in the truck. I thought I was gonna be out of the storm last night. The weatherman lied. The weatherman lied. I got a biker mask on, my furry hat, my brand new $50 Buffalo jacket. Great jacket, Jesus. I'm gonna put my gloves on. We're gonna go out here, grab us an antigel, and I'm gonna dump about half a bottle in each tank. I've been idling for about 40 minutes, and my truck's finally starting to warm up. It's 13 degrees outside. My APU heater was on all night, and I was comfortable in here. So 10 degrees is about the sweet spot of where you want to be able to run your heater, still use your comforter, dressed in sleep pants that are furry and meant to keep you warm. I had a thermal shirt on and my shirt up underneath that. So we're gonna try to put this on my head with this big ass thing on. I'm gonna also try to put my hood over. I may not necessarily have the opportunity to do that, but at least my ears will be warm. And we're gonna go out here real quick and we're gonna put some antigel in the truck. Alright, I'm gonna aim it down a little bit so y'all can see. Hopefully this will work. I'm putting my mask back on. And then make sure that's down. Put my jacket on, zip it up. Gotta keep that core temperature warm. I was actually surprised. Look, there's still snow in my truck. Jesus. Ugh. I was surprised that my waters weren't frozen. All right. Well, it's snowing. I hope I can get this shit in here. All right. Yeah, you're supposed to add the whole thing. I don't have a whole 100 gallons in here. Let me see. Well, we're gonna, shit, I don't know, man. There it is. Now I'd recommend you put this in when you're about to put fuel in your car, in your truck. Don't do what I'm doing. Oh, it's icy right there. That's not good. I need to get the fuck out of here. Now I will say, it's cold as hell out here. I'm freezing. I mean, I'm not as cold as I would be if I didn't have all this winter gear with me, but you guys want to come out here in winter, make sure you got the shit. Dispose of your shit properly. Don't just throw it on the ground like this jackass over here. He's got his fucking antifreeze up under his tire and shit because he was too lazy to walk into the damn trash can, which is right fucking there. Liquid something, I don't know, it's right there. It's fucking, it's fucking powder, dude. Alright, get all the snow off your fucking boots. Oh, all right. Let's take this shit off. Jesus, am I still going? Okay. Woo! 13 degrees, man. actually wasn't too bad, but I wasn't out much. So I wouldn't recommend doing what I did. I put half a bottle. I'm at 3/4 of a tank right now. So I've got roughly about, if I'm just guessing here, about 80 gallons maybe in each tank. Maybe. So I should have probably added more, but I think that'll be all right. 13 degrees. It's gonna get down to like 3 degrees here. So yeah, that's not good. I need to get out of here. So I'm about to leave now. I want to go ahead and film this, and then when I guess I should probably rip it off and put it on my phone immediately. And I don't know what I did with my Wi-Fi. I put it in my phone all night last night. I guess it activated Super Saiyan mode or something, because it's downloading faster than my phone does. My phone's got 5G, but this has been downloading at 10 megs a second on a Wi-Fi hotspot with unlimited data. Like, absolutely outstanding. So there's about 3 hours away. I'll be 12 minutes away from my destination. I just don't want to be stuck in this shit. You know what I mean? I don't want to be stuck here. So now that I've dumped that antigel in, I feel like I have to drive so that the sloshing and the stopping and the going and the bumps will smush and mix all that shit together. I almost guarantee you right now, yeah, I've dropped about 0.6 miles a gallon right now because I've been idling for so long. It's so cold outside that the truck will not shut off automatically. I think I've heard Trucker Richie Rich, it's got to be like 29 degrees or something like that on the low end, and it's at least 80 degrees in the high end to stay idling without automatically wanting to shut off. Now that my truck's finally starting to get warm, I could roll. And I could already see, like, the snow's been on the ground for so long and it's so cold outside that it's starting to get icy. And I don't want that. I don't want to be stuck in this parking lot. This load isn't even due until the 3rd at midnight. So I want to be as close as possible. I don't want to be trying to drive at night with it being this cold. And the winter advisory for Liberal, I'm in Liberal, Kansas right now. I'm literally about a mile away from the meat patch. So yeah. All right, well, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready to take off. I'm gonna rip this video off real quick and then put it in my phone and upload it, and then I'll upload it while I'm driving, and by the time I get down somewhere, it should be uploaded. So remember, just ladies, love you, hit it, ready to take care. I'll see y'all another time.